Whirlpool microwave. E. Camera focus for you. There we go. 85ME W. Sorry, yeah, but 850 watts. UKM 120 micro 850 watts. It's the screen, the options, quick time, power, in deep time countdown kind of before it actually starts. Timer, memory, and that. This microwave is older than me, I think. I remember when I was little, I put my hand in there and got electrocuted. I didn't even cry on this one. Ooh, I did it twice until my mum actually told me to stop. Right. I hate going Costco and get these massive things. Everything's massive. That's the plug. Right, so it sits there. They've got quite a lot of stuff in it, like my Henderson oven and my breakfast and sweets that my girlfriend gave me, and this my mum got it for me for Christmas. Anyway, this is the microwave. The camera is very blurry for some odd reason. There we go, focused. This is it. The light has gone somewhere. There we go. As you can see, it's in there. I put my finger in there and got electrocuted. But as you can see, it's pretty old. I need to do a review of the hot point now. My mum laughing like a mad woman. Right, so then you've got this. It's like 1999 old, so you've got a minute. You just press it, you can, it adds on a minute every time you press it. Or you can press stop right there. You can press it forever if you want. Yeah, right. Anyway, defrost meat. That will be meat, and I don't know how to use it. There you go. I think you press your minutes, 52 whatever. Chicken, same. Not fish, same. Potato, same. Popcorn, the same. Oh, popcorn's got a pre-start. So it's tea. I should actually use that once and it burnt my tea. Cook time, whatever you want. Wait, that's not even possible. $69. Fascinating. Because normally when it counts down from there. 59 like that. So then you've got power. Actually gonna have to start it first. Power. After that you've got in beat time. 1 minute start. Whoops, my bad. 5 start. Countdown. Basically, and it will start. And then you've got clock, which to me start. So yeah, that's it basically. It's a very good microwave. I normally like to warm up my milk for 2 hours. Oh yeah, and I've got memory. Basically, is what I use most, and that's 2 minutes. So that's it, basically. Yeah. And I'm gonna probably do. That time is so long. It's like daylight. It's not mid-time. There's the whole oopsie daisies. Yeah, maybe I might do with my kitchen. And here is my fridge. That's it. It says no frost for the top. It is very good. It's very tall though. It's right to the ceiling. Yeah, it's pretty tall actually if you look. Yeah. The electric bin which is broken. I've got my lovely Richard's kettle and top point and my Jack LaLanne's power juicer, which is wicked. As yesterday, my mum juiced some apples, which are here, and the oranges are here. I like it. Alright then, thanks for watching. Next should be the hot point or something. Anyway, it's the microwave. The Whirlpool UKM120. Thanks for watching. Bye.